Eto na mga boss, Z-Run. Guys, sobrang interesting nitong play to earn na to dahil horse racing to guys. So exciting to. At guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng giveaway winners natin, panoorin nyo na yung Dubai vlog natin, no? So salamat sa lahat na suporta guys, and congrats sa winners. Dami natin pinamigay, phone, cash, marami pang iba guys. Upcoming giveaways, cash din at t-shirt naman, no? So salamat sa suporta guys. Dalawang channel natin. Keep supporting Danjo Capital Master and NFT Master. Guys, ito naman Z-Run. Silipin natin to kung excited ka. Samahan mo ako boss. Let's go! So guys, no, panoorin muna natin trailer guys. As you can see, it's like this. So parang meta horse din, no? So malupitan din, no? So future loves din to guys. And pwede kang mag-engage sa skill-based gameplay dito, no? Hindi lang siya pure attributes, factor din yung skills ng player. And kung titignan nyo, yan yung mga up and coming, no? Medway Class 3, St. Louis, PL Warsaw, no? More races makikita nyo dyan. Connect nyo na yung MetaMask ninyo guys. Okay, and then you make sure you signed up already. So it is very amazing. Okay, you fill this up. And guys, another thing to consider, within 3 years of launching, Z-Run has demonstrated product market fit by securing $140 million on open market trades across 225,000 transactions, supporting 50,000 plus unique race horse owners, and guys, delivering 7,000 plus daily races, generating more than $40M, no, in community earned rewards over 6M transactions. So dahil sa innovation guys, kaya naging successful to, at hindi sila hindi sila pabago-bago lang basta-basta, pinag-uusapan talaga nila, and nag-fuse sila ng permissionless access, immutability, and tinatanggal nila yung yung conflicts that would arise in the future para smooth yung gameplay, no? So yan guys, no, makikita niya start fusing, and makikita niyo dyan yung breeding. You can get started already. And another thing to consider guys, you must try this. There's a trial, okay? So which is nice, saka makikita na may trial mga boss, no? So this is very exciting guys, as you can see. Okay, of course, love it. And another thing to consider guys is that using trustless and decentralized smart contracts to. So silipin na natin, no? Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Daming survey na nandito. Ayan na muna natin yan mga boss. Pero you can learn more. Ayan, makita nyo dyan yung free. Okay, registered. Sakto tayo dito. Dami naka-register mga boss. Sige, quick enter tayo mga boss. So free entry guys. Okay, register nyo lang kabayo ninyo. Ayan na. So pwede rin kayo mamili sa mga ganito, no? So open gates, pwede rin quick enter kung gusto niyo. Okay guys, free entry lang naman. So horse is already in a race. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's a lot of class here, pwede nyong tignan. Okay, yung mga class 1, open class. Okay, and meron pa siya free trial na ginagawa ko ngayon. Makita nyo results dito pag okay na. Then yung winning din, no? So may tournaments din guys. Lupit talaga nito. Yan yung price pool, $14,000 guys. Just imagine that. So siyempre, the much higher and more expensive your NFT is, kahit skill factor involved siya, mas lamang ka pa rin kung mahal yung NFT mo, no? Common sense lang yun. Kaya kami mas mahal na NFT. So may support dito guys. Ayan, kung may tanong kayo, breeding, race, tournament, all issues are here. They will answer for you. So it's very easy. Okay, and makita nyo dyan yung my race horses only. So yung mga events nandyan din guys, no? Which is very nice guys, no? So nakadepende sa stake na price pool, no? Kung magkano, no? Pero kung titingnan nyo, yun yung mga sample na race. You can also watch 3D and live. Okay, so depende sa inyo yan, no? Wari, namili ka na, no? So kung ano yung pinili mo, pwede mong panoorin. Pwede ka manood ng matches ng iba. Okay, ayan, no? So ends in 9 hours tong free racing events na to. So this game has a lot of potential guys, no? And kung titignan nyo yung marketplace, pwede nyo silipin sa Howku, meron din sa OpenSea guys. Kung wala ka pa idea sa NFT flipping, you can learn from my program, no? DanjoCapitalMaster.com. Tinuro ko na lahat dun na sikreto sa NFT flipping. At marami na tayo natulungan, 200 plus students, milyonaryo na halos, no? So ayan na guys. So 0.15 ETH, pinakamura 0.032 ETH, very affordable. Here the floor price is below 0.01 ETH, no? So you can buy already guys if you're interested in Zedran. Okay, so you can learn as well guys. Getting started by a resource. Ayun na, join the community. Okay, make sure you join and stay updated sa latest news din guys, no? Para may idea din kayo. Pero yan guys, no? Titignan nyo, very nice 3D gameplay, no? So live yan, kakatapos lang, hindi na natin nakita dahil kaka-enter lang natin. Pero number 1 si Caesar Walk. Pero kung titignan nyo siya, lupit mga boss, no? You can watch again. Gusto niyo replay. And dami pa lang mga ano, no? Ayan yung Zedran. Let's join the Discord as well, no? So yan sila guys, pakalupit. So ini-introduce pa na yung mga kabayo, mga boss. Yan, sinong pambato nyo. Kuwari di natin alam yung winner, no? Pero nakakita lang natin kanina. Let's see who will win guys. Ako, pinapakita ko lang naman yung gameplay sa inyo, no? Para aware kayo. And sa mga di pa nakapanood ng vlog natin, panoorin nyo yung travel vlog dahil nandun yung giveaway and yung mechanics sa next giveaway natin. So lagi tayo may giveaway kasi nakakatulong tayo. Mas magandang nakakatulong mga boss. Anyway, ganyan yung graphics niya. Parang Meta Horse din pero parang mas malupit yung graphics nito. Parang mas ayos siya tingnan. Wow. Ang lupit mga boss. Exciting, no? So kaya medyo busy ako yun sa vlogs mga boss dahil nagki-kickboxing training ako. So masaya kasi nagtitrain ng martial arts ngayon. Parang pampapawis din eh, nakakatulong din self-defense, no? So malaking bagay din kasi yung mag-fit tayo, hindi lang puro work, no? Anyway, kung titingnan yung Zedran, very nice, no? So you can see the graphics is so good, the gameplay. You can show the positions as well or hide it here, and the price pool is there, 0.0180 ETH, which is good. So guys, this game has big potential. Follow them on social medias, join on their Telegram and Discord, okay? I will link them all on the description below. Make sure you join guys, especially on Telegram. Let's make this bigger from now on. It's 2,745 members guys. Let's make this bigger. Okay, we are bigger than this guys. So as you can see, it's very fun to play. Zedran has big potential. 3D racing guys, napakalupit. May free trial pa. Kung nakita nyo may potential to, dun na lang kayo bumili ng NFT. Pero so far so good. Malaking company, maraming backup, no? So malaking community. So, of course mag-DR pa rin kayo mga boss, decision nyo pa rin yan. Pero kung titignan nyo, nandito na lahat, no? You can learn here the roster, product portal, latest news, updates, genesis. So yung malalaman nyo lahat yung guys. So racing, merong naka-auto na ganyan. And nandito nyo makikita yung wallet ninyo, no? You can top up, no, if you want. You can buy WETH or receive here. So you can transfer as well, and you can adjust your wallet settings to hide the balance and everything. So kung status update activities, makikita nyo dyan. So far so good guys, no? This game has big potential guys, and that's it. So number 1 Caesar Walk. May mahabol ba? Wala. Okay, ingat kayo mga boss. Have a nice day. This is Danjo the Capital Master, number 1 in the world. This is Zedran Review. Stay tuned for latest updates. Baka review pa natin ulit to. Maganda kasi malupit mga boss. So ingat kayo.